Well guys, you don't know, it's your girl Sugar, and today I am going to be making some carrot punch. I have some great ingredients guys. I'll be using my strongback, my carrots, my peanut punch, Nutrament, tiger malt, or you can use Malta. Guys, I have my Magnum that I got from Jamaica. I have some vanilla, some almond essence, I have my nutmeg, and also I have my cinnamon. Guys, I have a pot on the stove right now that is boiling with some water. We're going to prepare our carrots, put them in the water to boil. Okay my people, so I have the water on the stove. What I'm going to do, I wash my strongback, and I'm just going to put my strongback in here to boil. I'm just going to leave that in there to boil for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to add our carrots to this. Okay guys, but we have to strain the water first. So let's go and prepare our carrots. Okay my people, so I scraped off my carrots and I washed them. So now guys, we're going to cut them up, and because we're going to boil these, we don't have to cut them in any unique or uniform way. You just wanna just cut them up because we're gonna blend these, right guys? So, but the thinner you cut them, the quicker they cook, okay? Because you want these to cook. So you might want to just do like 1/2 inch so they can cook quicker. So let's do like 1/2 inch. Lovely. And in general, you know that carrot is good for you, right guys? Jamaicans, we always say give you good eyesight. Okay guys, so now these are all diced up and cut up, ready for a pot. Okay, so we're gonna strain this off right now. Just wanna strain it in another pot or anything that you have guys. Just so we can get back the bush out of the pot. You understand guys? So yes, so we want to get out all of these. We don't want these in our punch, okay? We just want the good things that come from it. So back on the put our pot, and now we're gonna add our carrots. Yes guys, you know it's about to go down. It's about to go down guys. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna allow this to cook. We want them to cook right through, so that when we blend them, we don't have any of that roughage, or what would you call it, roughness when you're drinking your punch. Your punch should be smooth. So I'm just gonna cover my pot right now guys, and I'm just gonna allow it to cook, and after it's cooked, we're gonna come back, and we have to make this cool down as well before you put it into your blender guys. So I'm gonna turn off the stove, let it cool down, and then we get right into making our carrot punch with our strongback. Okay guys, so it's time. I think our carrots are ready. let's test our carrots, guys. Da-dum-dum. So basically, yes guys, they are ready. Okay, so you just want to make sure your carrots are soft. It's hot, guys, hot, but see, it's easy to squish if you squeeze it. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna turn off our stove and we're gonna leave our carrots aside and allow the carrot to cool down, because we're going to use this water to blend our carrot. Okay, you don't want to put any hot water in your blender and break it. So we're going to let it cool down for a bit, and then we're going to blend up our carrots. Okay guys, so our carrots are cooled down now, so we are going to blend them. And you can use a blender, guys, but I'm using my Ninja. So what we're gonna do, take some of the carrot, but the same water from the carrot that we boil it in. I'm just gonna add that to our bullet or our blender. Lovely. Just like that, guys. Okay, so let's get this blended. Cover this tight. Okay guys, so this should be good. Yes, looking lovely, guys. So we're gonna just pour it out in our bowl. See that, guys? That's what we're looking for. So let's do the second batch. Sweet condensed milk. And I'm using the full tin. get something to scrape this out, guys. Amazing. Smelling so good, guys. Yes. Alright. So look like we get everything out that we can. Remember, guys, we don't waste anything. Okay. Looking lovely. Now we're going to add our little flavor. Okay. So guys, if you wanna, let me measure these. So I'm putting a tablespoon of almond essence. Also a tablespoon of vanilla. And the reason why I used half of my Magnum is because I want to add some white rum. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon. White rum is always good to put in your drinks. It helps to preserve it if you're not gonna have all of it at once. So I'm just gonna go in with 1 teaspoon. That's half teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Lovely. Let me cork up my Maggi because I don't want anything to happen to it, guys. Amazing. So guys, we're gonna spin this up, combine everything together. It is smelling so good, guys. Okay guys, so I tasted my punch and guess what? I feel like I need all of the Magnum. So I'm gonna throw the rest of the Magnum in here. And it's totally optional. You don't have to throw all of it. Just taste your punch and adjust it accordingly. It doesn't need any more sweetness or anything. It is nice. I can taste the flavors. That should do it, guys. It is absolutely amazing. And guys, I know you can instead of the Magnum, you can use Dragon. You can use a Dragon Stout or a Guinness. Sometimes I use Dragon because the Dragon is less bitter. The Guinness is more bitter and I don't like when my punches are bitter. And that's why I tend to use the Magnum instead of the Dragon or the Guinness. But if I'm not using the Magnum, I would normally use the Dragon. Okay, so let's serve some of this, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Wow. You have to give this one a thumbs up, guys. Yes. And normally, guys, we don't serve this with ice because we don't want the ice to water down our thing. So we don't normally serve this with ice. But because it is not cool yet, it's not chilled on the fridge as yet, that's the reason why we had to put some ice in here, okay? But here you have it, guys. Our carrot punch is nice and ready. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know if you will be trying this. It is absolutely amazing. It is healthy. It is delicious. It has a lot of benefits. You won't go wrong trying this recipe. Until next time, guys. See you in my next video.